If a game disappears from the Google Play Store after you've started earning with it, Cash Giraffe may stop tracking that game's progress because it can no longer verify the installation through the Play Store. That doesn't always mean you've lost your existing rewards, but it usually means you shouldn't expect new progress from that title. By the end of this video, you'll know what happens when a Cash Giraffe game is removed from the store, what you can still recover, and what to do next to keep earning. The first thing to check is whether the game is actually gone or simply unavailable for your device or region. Open the Google Play Store and search for the exact game title. If it doesn't appear, or the listing says it's no longer available, the problem isn't inside Cash Giraffe. Next, open Cash Giraffe and look at your active games list. If the game still appears there but no longer earns coins, don't keep playing just to test it. The app can only reward tracked gameplay, and continuing with an unsupported game usually wastes your time. If you've already earned coins before the game disappeared, check your balance. Previously credited rewards normally remain in your account. What may stop is future tracking after the game becomes unavailable. Now here's what you should do instead. Browse the recommended games section inside Cash Giraffe, and install a new title directly from the app. Starting a replacement game through Cash Giraffe gives the app the best chance to track your progress correctly from the beginning. Avoid uninstalling and reinstalling the missing game from unofficial sources. Installing APK files or restoring an old backup won't recreate the Play Store connection that Cash Giraffe relies on for tracking. Even if the game launches, your gameplay may no longer qualify for rewards. If you believe the game was removed by mistake, contact Cash Giraffe support through the app. Include the game name, your user ID if available, screenshots of your active games list, and any record of rewards earned before the removal. Clear information makes it easier for support to review your account. The easiest way to avoid this problem in the future is to focus on games that are actively featured inside Cash Giraffe. Those titles are generally the ones currently supported for tracking and rewards. To recap, first confirm the game has actually disappeared from Google Play. Check whether your existing rewards are still credited, and move to a new game installed directly through Cash Giraffe instead of trying unofficial workarounds. If this guide helped you solve the problem, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out our other Cash Giraffe tutorials.